In today's class, we will study fundamentals of probability. This topic is present in the BAMS third phase in that research methodology and medical statistics subject. This is the 11th topic and 11th chapter, first topic. This is the part 1. In the part 1, we will study only the fundamentals of probability. First of all, introduction, that what is here probability means it is a branch of statistics measures the chance or likelihood. In simple meaning, it is one of the chance, that the probability is a measures. Here we are measuring the chance or likelihood of occurrence of events, and it is widely used in medical research for disease prediction. Why we are using in the medical field as well as in Ayurveda? Because for the disease prediction, diagnosis in the disease and clinical trial, and for the decision making, we are using the probability here. The next one is the definition of the probability. The probability is a numerical measure. Here we are measuring the numbers of likelihood that an event will occur. This is called probability. Its values ranging from 0 to 1. What is here 0 to 1 means? The chances here, the probability 0 is impossible event. I will give an example that that is the sun is rising from the east. This is the 100% the probability, that is we are denoting that the sun is rising from the east. This is the 100%, the certain event happening. The 100% we are denoting the probability 1 here. And another one is the sun is rising from the west. That is not possible, event is not possible, impossible variant. This type of event we are denoting here in the probability is 0. This is the probability is 0. This is the method. That's why whenever we are measuring the probability range is from 0 to 1. Now we will study the formula of the probability. How we are measuring, from which formula we are measuring the probability. The probability we are denoting P here. From that, it is equal to number of desired outcome. The number of desired outcome is divided by total number of outcome. We will study further here. Just formula, just note down the formula. Number of desired outcome divided by total number of outcome. This is the formula. The next point is the fundamentals of probability. The fundamentals here, the first point is the experiment. What is the here experiment? An activity that produce one or more outcome, that is called as a experiment here. Suppose we are throwing the dice, that is one of the experiment. The dice is throwing, that is experiment, or else the tossing the coin, this is also called as a experiment. The example is tossing a coin or rolling a dice. This is the experiment. Now what are the outcome we are expecting? The result obtained from the experiment, that is called as a outcome. The example is, if you tossing the coin, it may be chances or head or tail, like that, head or tail in the certain if you will toss. This is the called outcome. The next one is the event. Event is a specific outcome or group outcome of an experiment. Here the event is the specific outcome that we are expecting, that is the event. Example is getting an even number, even number 2, 4, 6, like that. The getting an even number on rolling the dice. If you are rolling the dice, that chances are the 2, 4, 6, these are the events here. Next one is the sample space. Sample space means all the numbers if you are rolling the dice. That is the set of all possible outcome of an experiment, that is the sample space here. Example is rolling of the dice. What are the sample space here? S is denoting, that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you are rolling the dice, the chances are from, it may be chances are 1 number or 2, 3, like that, up to 6 number. Any one number will comes out. That is the total number is called as a sample space. The next one is the favorable outcome, that we are expecting that the even number will come, like that 2, 4, 6. The event, the outcome that satisfy the required events, that is the example is even number on dice 2, 4, 6. These are the 3 numbers. If you will take an exercise example, then example we will take here to understand easy example is a fair dice. It means if you throw once or if you roll once, a fair dice is rolling once, then find the probability of getting even number. If you are rolling the dice once, the what are the probability chances are there? That is, the total possible outcomes are 6 from 1 to 6. You know that in the dice is there, okay, that is in called Hindi pasa phekna. That is the in that the 6 numbers are there on that. The total possible outcome from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And favorable outcome, what is the question is here? Getting even number. Even number, you know, 2, 4, 6. These are the even number. These are 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there out of 6. The p value we are finding here, the formula even numbers, p value. Just now I told the formula number of desired outcomes here 2, 4, 6, 3. That divided by total number of outcome. Total number of outcome here 6. If you divide, then it will come the answer 1 by 2. That is the 0.5 will be the answer. The answer of probability is 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. Or if you in the multiply with 100, then in the percentage if you take, that is a 50% chances are there that even numbers will come 2, 4, 6, and 50% chances are there that is the odd number 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. Like that, the probability we are finding. This is with example. Now, what are the applications? Why we are studying the probability in the medical field or else in the Ayurveda? Now, that for the assessing the disease risk in the population, in the specific population, we are assessing the disease. That is the first application. Second one is the interpreting, screening, and diagnosing the test. Screening the test, screening the disease, or else the diagnosing the test in the population. That is the second application. Next is the designing analysis of clinical trials. If you are doing clinical trials, we are expecting here the what may be the outcome. That's the in the clinical trial. Next one is the supporting evidence-based Ayurvedic research. It means the whatever the research it is there, we are converting into the evidence-based medicines. For that, the probability is helpful. This is about the today's class. If you understood, please like and motivate us. Also share to your classmates and subscribe channel. Thank you.